Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how we can add a new website or new application on Cloudways. If you are planning to purchase Cloudways hosting and not sure how exactly things are working, you can see this particular video how to create a fast website with WordPress that I have created a detailed tutorial where I have showed how to purchase Cloudways and install WordPress and design a theme. You can also go to this particular playlist Cloudways tutorial and you discover all the tutorials related to Cloudways hosting. Now let's go back to the tutorial. Now to add a new application after logging to Cloudways, we need to click on applications. You can see that blackfriday101.com we already added that. So here we will be adding one more application. Now click on application, add application, and then search for server. Now this is the DigitalOcean server that we have purchased. Just select it, add application. Now in this screen, we need to choose what kind of application we are going to install. So let's say we are going to install a WordPress application, means WordPress website. So we'll click on WordPress, then application name. Let's say I'll put it dummy and select the project. So what is the project? So that project we have created when we purchase Cloudways for the first time and setting up the server for the first time. So you can watch that video. Then by default we'll select on this. Okay. Now next, lightning stack will be by auto selected. We'll keep it as it is and then we'll click on add application. So in this screen we are not going to select anything. We'll simply skip for now. So you can see that adding application. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes time. Let's wait for that. So you can see that dummy app has been installed. So our application has been installed. Now let's go to again application. So you can see that one application has been added. Now this application is nothing but another website only. Now if we click on this link, it will open that dummy application URL where WordPress has been installed. You can see that this is a dummy URL. Okay. Now we can click on this dummy app and we need to do a few more things. For example, as this is a dummy URL, we need to connect to a domain. Now how to connect to a domain? How to connect our domain to Cloudways? For that, we need to go to the left side option, domain management. Here you will see this temporary domain has been listed. We need to click on add domain. Now before clicking on add domain, we have to purchase a domain and then we need to connect that domain with Cloudways. So to purchase a domain, I generally recommend to go to NameCheap. So here you can choose your domain name. For example, my first website 2026.com. Okay. So I'm just giving you a example how exactly we need to do. So it is showing the domain is available. We need to click on add to cart. So I have already logged in. So it is showing the price here. Click on view cart. So if you have not logged in, it will ask you to create the account. So you have to do all the registration with email ID and password. Then you will see this kind of a screen. Now the best part of NameCheap is that you will get the domain privacy, which is free forever. Now that is the best thing. So that's the reason I always choose for NameCheap. And also you will see you will get a good discount. Now after validating everything, you can click confirm and choose the payment option and complete the purchase. Okay. As soon as you complete the purchase, you will see an option to click on manage the domain. Click on that and you will come to the domain management section. First, what we need to do, we need to scroll down below and delete whatever is the default option is there. Simply delete it. Next, we will go to advanced DNS. Then we will delete this also. Then we'll click on add record. We'll create a record. We'll provide the host as @ and IP address. Now for this IP address, we need to go to again Cloudways. We will go to access details tab and simply scroll down. You will see that the IP address will be like listed here. Simply we need to click copy. Again, we'll go to NameCheap. We'll provide the IP address here and we'll click on save change. Then we will create one more record. We'll go to CNAME record. We'll put www and then we'll put the domain name. Okay. And then we'll click save. That's it. So our domain name setup in the NameCheap site has been completed. What we need to do now, next we'll go to our Cloudways settings. Again, we'll go to domain management. Now we will click on add domain. Here we'll provide the domain and then click save changes. Fine. So our domain has been added. Next, in the right side, we need to click on this and make this domain primary. Set as primary. So see, our Black Friday 101 domain has been added and it has set up as a primary. Now again we will go to access details. So now you can see that our temporary domain has been changed with our proper domain name. So that's all in this video. We have learned how we can add an application on Cloudways hosting.